Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and black's pawns are moving downward in this direction. These two pawns looks scary, right? They are going to be a queen within few moves, within a move, right? So we have to stop them and end up winning. So you can pause the video to try and guess the move on your own. Best of luck. Okay, so first we have a couple of moves to try with the queen and the king, and the thing is you have to focus on these two pawns, right? Because they are about to be a queen after a move. So what move should we play first? Well, if we play king to f3, thinking after black queens, you are going to give this check, and if black just retreat like this, you are going to give a check like this, and eventually you are going to checkmate this way. But the problem with this move is now black in this position, after you play king to f3, black is not going to make a queen, right? Black is pushed to e1 and promote to a knight for king u, and you are going to lose the game. So what other options do we have? Well, the correct move in this position is to play queen to d3, and obviously we cannot capture these pawns immediately because black is going to make a queen and this is going to be the end, and we can't give a check like this because black is going to block the check with a queen. So the first move is actually queen to d3. And the idea with queen to d3 is that if the king moves to g1, we are going to capture the pawn on a2, and it doesn't matter what black plays, we are going to deliver checkmate, right? So in this position, if black promotes to a knight instead, we are going to just move away the king, and this is completely winning. So these are the moves that we are going to play. And if black plays to e1 instead, what we are going to do is play queen to b1 and force the king to move to d2, and we are going to play king takes f2, and we are winning. All we have to do is just play a queen move like this, and we are going to capture the pawn. So it doesn't matter on black's move. So if black moves like this, we are going to capture the pawn by playing there, and if black moves the king instead, we are going to capture the pawn with our king directly. So this is the way. So after this, if black moves the king, we are going to win the game. But the problem is black is not going to move the king, right? What if black pushes to c4? You can pause the video to try and guess for the second time. So now we are going to play queen to c2, and the second correct move is that. So the idea is now black can promote to a queen. That looks very tempting, but what we are going to do is play king to f3, and now the queen has no checks, and most importantly, the queen has to defend the f2 square, right? Meaning the queen cannot move anywhere. We are going to deliver checkmate on f2. So what can black do in this position? Well, black have to move these two pawns. Yes, black can move the king, but that would result an immediate checkmate. So the black king can move to the square h2 and h1, but it doesn't matter, it's going to be just checkmate anyway. So what can black do in this position after we play king to f3? Well, black can push the c pawn to c3, but we are going to play queen to d3 check, and we would have the same checkmating idea. And if black try to defend the check by blocking with the queen, we simply are going to capture the queen, and we are going to win on the next move. So this is it actually. And if black pushes to b4 instead, we are going to simply capture the pawn and force black to move away, and we are going to come up with the same checkmating idea. So this is what we are going to do. But in this position, after we play queen to c2, black is not going to promote the pawn, right? That is too tempting for black, but a lot of strong players wouldn't play that move, right? So what they play is c3. So what should we do if black plays c3? Well, in this case, we are going to play queen to d3 and pin the pawn to the king. And again, if black moves the same move as before, we are going to simply win the game like this. And if black in this position didn't play a king move and plays to c2 instead, we are going to simply capture that, and eventually we are going to go back and forth, and we are going to win the game that way. So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.